In today's video, we are going to be talking about some brand new Yeezy foam runners that just got leaked a couple of days ago. I'm also going to tell you guys why I think this will be the sneaker of the year. That's probably like a guarantee for me. I'm going to tell you guys when we should expect these foam runners, and also we're going to be talking about the price of these foam runners as well too. But before we get into that, if you want to stay up to date on Yeezy news, reviews, and updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would give this video a like, that will go a long way. Thank you guys so much for the support, and also follow your guy on Instagram. The details will be in the description below. Now let's talk about this brand new Yeezy foam runner colorway. These actually got leaked by Yeezy Mafia a couple of days ago, and these are just fire. They look amazing. These are dubbed the Vermillion foam runners, but this is a full all red Yeezy foam runner. The foam runner itself is made with EVA based foam, and it also has perforated ovals around the whole foam runner as well. These foam runners are expected to drop later this year in October. We don't know the exact date in October yet, but as soon as we get it, I will let you guys know. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to be within the know and be ahead of the game, because you know how the sneaker game is. You know, you snooze, you lose. You want to be the first to know everything in the sneaker culture. And last but not least, these foam runners will cost $80 retail USD. Other than the Yeezy slides, these will be the cheapest Yeezys that you will ever buy if you are even able to even get these retail, because winning raffles these days, I actually think you have a better chance hitting the jackpot, hitting the lottery, than, you know, getting a sneaker for retail these days. But the reason why these kicks will be the sneaker of the year guaranteed, because this colorway is just very, very special to Yeezy's period. These kicks will be huge because these will be the first all red Yeezy from Adidas. Ye actually dropped the all red sneaker a long time ago. Do you guys remember what sneaker that was? It was the Air Yeezy 2, aka the Red Octobers. Even though those sneakers did not even drop on the October, but you know, whatever, who cares? Let's go back in time a little bit, okay? Let's just jump in our time machine for a little bit, okay? The Air Yeezy 2 first dropped in 2012, and it only came in two colorways: the black and solar red Air Yeezys, and also the pure platinum Air Yeezys. Now guess how many of these Air Yeezy 2s were made? There were only 5,000 pairs made each for each colorway. These kicks was like super rare. I don't know what Nike was thinking dropping 5,000 pairs of anything. And for days, weeks, and months, people were starving for a new Air Yeezy 2 colorway. Until 2013, the Air Yeezy 2 Red Octobers were leaked online. It was like love at first sight. When people saw these kicks online, everyone fell in love with them. It was like a must-have, must cop immediately. It got to the point even Kim K was leaking photos of the sneaker. It was that crazy. And in late 2013, just when everyone was expecting the Red Octobers to drop, Nike and Ye was beefing. They was mainly beefing because of royalties and creative control over the sneaker. Ye just got tired of Nike just playing games with the sneakers. It got to the point where Ye didn't know anything about these Red Octobers. He got asked all the time, when did these sneakers drop? And he would just be like, I don't know. Even though I designed these sneakers, even though I created these sneakers, I have no idea when these sneakers are going to drop. And it kind of teed him off. Rightfully so. So in late 2013, he actually left Nike and went straight to Adidas. And a couple of months later, in February 2014, the Nike store dropped a shock drop link to cop the sneaker. Like, whoa, this literally exploded. This was before all the notifications and all the bots. This sneaker right here created all of that. And when the Nike store dropped that link, they sold out instantly. And right now, as we speak, if I wanted to buy the Red Octobers for my size, a size 10, it would cost me $15,000. Do you know what I could buy with $15,000? A lot. So whether you hate Yeezy or not, He started the whole sneaker reselling boom. So an all red Yeezy is just monumental. And ever since the Air Yeezy 2 Red Octobers, everyone's been dropping all red sneakers. Jordan has done it numerous times, but there would never be an all red sneaker like a Yeezy all red sneaker. And that's why I expect these foam runners to drop. It will be like a huge drop for these foam runners. These foam runners will be very, very hard to get, and they will sell out instantly, like instantly. And on the resale market, I do expect these foam runners, even though they will be $80 retail, I expect these foam runners to be about $500 to $600 resale. Can you imagine paying $600 for some Crocs? Crazy. But this is a monumental sneaker, and this sneaker will be huge. It will be Croctober once these kicks drop. These sneakers will be on my must-cop list of 2021. So there goes my foam runner video. Make sure you guys let me know, how do you feel about these Vermillion foam runners? Will you guys cop when they drop later this year? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.